In Queens, people got a jump on Memorial Day with the annual parade in Forest Hills yesterday. There you have it. The American Legion Continental Post organizes this parade every year. All local and statewide community and civic groups were invited to march, and take a look at who was there. Mayor Eric Adams was in attendance.
He gets around,
Doesn't he? Yes, for sure.
I think that's part of the job.
Yeah. I think he knew the weather was nicer yesterday, too.
Yeah, what a difference 24 hours makes.
I know. I wish I could say the same thing about today, but we have an active weather alert today to make matters worse. Watching out for that chance for strong to severe storms across the area as we head into this afternoon and this evening. Currently, it's still cloudy looking across Manhattan, but we did have a few breaks of sunshine. This is the type of day when we don't want to see sun because that can help to destabilize the atmosphere. One of the reasons why we have the potential for severe weather. It's 72 degrees in the city, cloudy, with a breeze of around 3 miles per hour. So now notice we have all of this rain getting closer and closer across eastern Pennsylvania. But we do have a stronger storm, too, now on top of Ocean and Middletown, and that continues to move off to the north. You can see a few lightning strikes as well. That can produce brief gusty winds. Also lighter showers near West Milford and light rain now making its way across sections of Warren and Hunterdon County. Current numbers in the 70s across the tri-state. It's 75 degrees in White Plains, down to 65 degrees in Bridgeport, and 70 in Belmar, Wrightstown. You're around 75 degrees. It is humid, almost tropical, and that's because dew points, which show the amount of moisture in the atmosphere, are well into the mid to upper 60s, even the 70s. Look at Morristown. It really feels steamy for you with a dew point of 72, also up to around 68 in Belmar. And so the bigger picture, we had a few breaks of sunshine in the clouds, but now clouds are taking over, and this is all ahead of this larger batch of rain that continues to approach. We have a little disturbance ahead of this larger storm system, including a cold front and an area of low pressure. That is why we are in for messy weather today. So let's get right to the timing, looking at Futurecast. As we get closer to 1 to 2 p.m., we'll start to have more scattered showers firing up, especially across western areas and the Catskills. It really turns active with scattered to numerous showers between 3 to 5 p.m., that moving across the boroughs, the Hudson Valley, New Jersey. And then another round of rain and storms could pop back up, get stronger around sunset. Now, this particular model, that has most of this rain tapering off, most of the rain and storms tapering off around 11 p.m. We have another model that keeps us around a little bit longer, so just something to keep in mind that some of that could still linger even around the 11 p.m. newscast. But we are confident that by tomorrow morning, we dry out with clear conditions and temperatures in the 60s. So back over to that threat for severe weather today. Most of the tri-state under a slight risk. That's level 2 out of 5. Now, the main threat today will be damaging winds and quarter-size hail, but there's also the potential for just an isolated tornado that can't be ruled out. And that main threat for an isolated tornado, that includes New Jersey, portions of the Catskills, really portions of Warren and Hunterdon County, western Somerset County. In addition, we have the potential for really high rainfall rates, and we have a slight risk for flash flooding. That means scattered flash floods are possible north and west of the city. These are some of the areas that can receive up to 1 to 3 inches of rain, so just something to keep in mind. Make sure to stay weather aware. 73 today, just very gusty this afternoon with strong to severe afternoon storms. Tonight, 65, a lingering shower early, and then tomorrow, 83. Much nicer, breezy, warmer, and a drop in humidity too, making it feel even better. But then we have a chance for a shower or two on Wednesday, for the same Thursday, not a washout at this time, and really nice, actually delightful on Friday. That's the word we're using, 74. And this weekend, 75 and 76 on Sunday.
So Jeff Smith words.
I love it. Delightful. After the week, it's not surprising. Thank you, Brittany.
Next on Eyewitness News at noon, an overtime thriller leads to sweet victory for the Rangers. We show you the moment of jubilation for fans who watched the game in Central Park.
And a farewell to a man responsible for some iconic Disney songs. We'll take a look back at the life and the impact of Richard Sherman.
George, just look at that. Look at it.
Hey, Michael should really be here to see this.
Yeah.
Won't stop till we're legends. The Stanley Cup Final begins June 8th on ABC.